Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I have a video for Clique Kits and I'm using the Valentine's Day kit again, and I am so loving this kit. It's awesome. So I picked a photo of my husband and my daughter. This was actually at her Christmas party at school, but you don't have to use Valentine's Day themed kits just for photos of Valentine's Day. So I'm going to show you through the month that you can use this kit on so much more, and anything that says Valentine's Day on it, I'm going to end up probably covering it up with something else because I don't normally take pictures of Valentine's Day stuff, but I have tons of pictures of the two people that I love the most, and Valentine's Day is all about love, so I feel like it kind of it works. So the first thing that I did was take two of the pattern papers in this kit, and they are from the Crepe Paper Valentine's Day La La Love collection, and I just trimmed them down to little triangles so I can have the two meeting in the center like this. So you overlap them, and then I'm going to cut some strips out of those same papers to bring in to the top of the layout. And for the background, I just brought in a piece of white cardstock from my stash, and I'm just going to layer those over top of each other. And then I'm also going to use that heart strip there that was the branding strip on one of the papers, which is awesome because I'm using it and not just throwing it away. I love that about certain companies that do that. They put like a pattern on one side and then the actual name and collection on the other side, so that way you can use it in your paper crafting as well. So this piece of pink cardstock, it's like a blush pink, came in the kit, and I'm going to use it to mat the photo, just a very, very thin little mat around the photo. And I was thinking about using a doily, but I'm going to end up going in a different direction. These doilies did come in the kit, which are super cute. It just, neither one of them were going to work for what I had in mind for this layout. So I'm going to go ahead and glue down all of these strips because this is exactly where I want them. I know this is where I want them. I've done a layout, I think this past summer, with this kind of triangle effect where the two patterns meet in the middle, and I like the way that that looks. It gives a little bit of extra interest, and it's not just your I do love to do just like squares or rectangles. I'm trying to think of the words, but sometimes I like to add a little bit different elements, and I really like the way that that looks. So now that I have all of my pattern paper glued down, I'm going to go ahead and start embellishing. So I have some of the die cuts that came in this kit pulled out here to the side, and this big heart with journaling on it, I think it says V-Day or Happy Valentine's Day or Valentine's Day or something on it. But like I said, this was not Valentine's Day. So I'm going to cover that up with another piece of ephemera that says Love You Lots. And that's one way that you can use Valentine's Day themed stuff and not have to have Valentine's Day pictures. So that's what I did. This tag is so pretty. The glitter on it is this gorgeous like champagne color. It's so pretty throughout this whole kit and this collection. And it's around the heart as well, that big journaling heart. And I just backed it with the cardstock that came in the kit, the same cardstock that I matted the photo with. And I am going to end up using one of these little hangy sloths. They're so cute. But I end up actually fussy cutting it out, and in the end I actually do end up putting it on a heart, and I wish I would have just kept it on the heart that it was already on, but I didn't. So that was a part that I definitely could have kept out and just worked with it. But I was wanting to use tooth sloths. I was wanting to use the one that I assume is the girl with the bow in her hair, and maybe a boy because it doesn't have a bow. I don't know. And I was going to use both of them, but they just weren't looking right. I try in several different places, and it wasn't working for me. So I'm going to end up using just one, but you will see here that I mess with them for quite a while trying to figure out if there's anywhere that they both will fit. And then I actually try to figure out just where one will fit and look right. So it does take me a little time to get it just right. I'm going to try some different ephemera pieces in some different places, and you're seeing here my process of trying to figure out where I like things to go and that kind of thing. So yeah, I'm still like not sure what I want to do with this little sloth, but I know I want to use her, and I'm still trying to fit something in there in that white space, but nothing was working. It just was not looking right. And I think it's because I had the heart up too high. I feel like, yes, I need to move it down a little bit. And yeah. So now I'm auditioning some pieces up here, and they're just, nothing's looking right to me right now. Like, sometimes does that happen to you guys when you're just trying to get something to work, like this little sloth? It just wasn't working anywhere. I wanted to use it so bad, and like I said, I do end up using it, but the struggle was real. That is not where she is going to go. She is going to go up here with one less heart. So that is where I decided to put her. And this is looking closer to what I'm going to have. So here it is. Now it's all glued down. I did the gluing off camera because my phone actually stopped recording. So now I'm working on the title, and this alpha comes in the kit as well. And my title is just going to be My World, because they are my world and I love them so much. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm going to use some sequins from my stash. I'm pulling in some champagne sequins and some baby pink or blush pink that kind of match this kit really well. And that is going to be my layout for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you are not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to spread love and be kind. I hope that you all have an amazing day.